our president Muhammadu Buhari, he don talk he don talk say Nigeria go miss am. Nigerian, all of us say we go miss am after him leave office for 2023. He talk say we go feel him impact, we go miss everything wey be say he dey do for us for this country. Say we go miss am for 2023 wey be say him go leave. Now im matter come make me remember one song, you gonna miss me when I'm gone. Now wetin Buhari dey sing be that? Buhari say Nigeria is gonna miss him when he's gone. He talk say all this strategic, all the thing wey we say he dey do, all the amenities, all the social amenities, everything wey we say he dey do, all the train wey we say he build, all these things wey we say he do, all the road wey dey smooth, all the electricity, all the economy wey be say our economy good. As Nigeria no come know importance, he go talk say when he leave for 2023 we go know say him do something better for us. Well done, sir. President Muhammadu Buhari. Na wetin Buhari talk na be that. Me I come dey wonder say must we wait until you leave office before we feel your impact? As things be now, we dey feel the impact. Yes, we dey feel the negative impact. We dey feel am. We dey feel am well because now we know how much you met this thing, fuel, petrol, how much you met am. We know how much. We know how much in dey now. We know how much electricity tariff dey when you enter. We know how much in dey now. In fact, the what they call am, the NLC Labour Congress, they want embark on strike now because of this electricity tariff wey increase for September now. Where they talk say the thing go still increase for next year 2022 again. We know how much now. We know how much all this thing. We know how much all this food wey we dey buy then. We know how much then be then. We know how much we dey buy now. Ordinary Nigerians, average Nigerians no fit afford 3 square meal again. You go talk say we go feel your impact when you go. Abeg, which impact we wan feel down this one? Wey we say we don dey feel now. Which impact remain again? Wey we say we never feel before. Which impact now? Then we know wetin we dey face then. Na only Boko Haram wey be say dem kidnap the Chibok girls na him we dey face then. We know wetin we dey face now. We know wetin we dey face now. Na the thing we dey face now, we dey face ISIS, ISWAP, we dey face Boko Haram, we dey face bandit, Fulani herdsmen, we dey face all of them together. In fact, we still dey face hunger. We know how much tax we dey pay then, we know how much we dey pay now. Because we talk say Nigeria will go feel your impact when you are gone. Why can't we feel it now? Why can't we feel the positive impact now? All the change you promise us then, all the positive change, why we no say anything? Anyhow, now change you promise us, na negative change we dey see. Because talk say we go feel your impact when you are gone. Say when you leave finish, Nigeria go miss you. They go not say I be the best president for this country. Say now when you leave finish, now people go know say they miss good. And when you leave finish, people go know say all the things you dey do now better things for us. Abi, no problem. No problem. We know where this country dey before you enter. Now our country now one of the now the second most terrorist, the most dangerous country in the world. We be say terrorists they rule after Afghanistan and Nigeria remain. The poorest country, Nigeria dey among the top 10. Nigeria dey among country where we say their youth no get work. Nigeria na number 3. And you talk say we go feel your impact. Ordinary job where we say you give 20,000 naira job, but on how much that naira job, the empower those people now. When we say you apply, they make jobless again now, and we go feel your no content which impact you won't feel again now. We no fit eat food again for this country. Tell you say you go feel your impacts. Life now no dey fuel everything cost. We go feel your impacts. No problem. Make I move on to another headline. This headline which I want to talk about now the GMD of NNPC Kyari. I don't know I don't know the problem of anybody bearing Kyari. If like say everybody bearing Kyari, they always get problem. I go show you one video now. They always get one problem. Here they talk say by 2022 or 2023 or wetin dey call am, e talk say Nigeria go dey buy fuel at the rate of 256 naira per litre. You know say na this small all these people dey always dey do their problem, they always do their thing. Dem go dey give us hint small, but we Nigerians we no go know. When they want increase fuel to 150 something naira, they tell us that time, but Nigeria no even kaku, we no get at all. Now they want, this man they talk say Nigeria go dey buy fuel very soon for 256 naira. You can give one more excuse, talk say subsidy. Nah, I don't know their problem with subsidy. Even Dangote sef talk am. Dangote talk say him feel ashamed. Say our country dey import fuel from abroad. Imagine that kind of talk from Dangote. Say they talk. Abeg, in case you now watch the video of wetin this man talk, this is the GMD of NNPC about the fuel stuff. Wey be say we go dey buy fuel at high rates very soon. Abeg, we watch am.
The 2021 Appropriation Act does not have provision for subsidy or the recovery of for the cost of PMS that we sell to the market. But the reality today is that we are buying products as high as 256 naira to the liter in our pumps today if we are going to sell it today at the market price. But unfortunately, we are also selling at 162 naira to the liter. This is a policy decision. We are not able to sell that beyond this for very clear reason that there are engagements that are going on to ensure that you do not have any disruptions to the social process and the fabric of the security of our country, and therefore those engagements have not been concluded. Distinguished Senator, there's an ongoing process that is engaging organized labor, civil society organization, and very many other institutions of government that are involved in this process to arrive at a landing on how and when we can exit the subsidy regime, to be very precise. And that is why if you see the 2022 Appropriation Act, there is a provision for subsidy in the year 2022. The reason is that we are not sure we can conclude this process before the end of this year or even early in 2022. That is why that provision is made.
Now the video now I don't watch so for next year now 2022 we go dey buy fuel at that rate, and work no dey for this country. Money no dey for this country. Our economy no good, but they always God. Now we masses they always they suffer and pass, but those people they think they do us better things. You know, say of recent now our president in sack two minister of power and minister of agric. We want mumu minister of power. He talk say the man faints. Why you no go faint? Say power no faint for this country. He talk say electricity good for this country. You know, now shey we go dey buy fuel at high rates, but only God knows some state for some area for this country they don't get 3 hours electricity supply for this country. They don't get at all. Make I move on to another headline. The headline wey dey now na the issue wey happen for Zamfara State. You know, say of recent again, bandits then kidnap some students, over 70 students again for school. They talk say those students then they inside class, those bandits come carry bike. Imagine that kind of thing. So bandits carry bike enter school for Zamfara State, enter school. They tell those students say make they march, enter bike, and bandits they ride bike. You know how many bike you go use carry 70 students? So when those bandits they do their work, no security agents, nothing even stop those people. Nobody see them as they carry those people they go. Nobody see them till they finish that thing. I know say that thing will be that operation no go be like 1 hour. It will go be like 2 hours still. So for that 2 or 3 hours, nobody call a security agency. No policeman even enter that place. Nothing happen till they finish their operation. You can't carry 70 students. Finish. The one wey come vex me now when the governor come talk, governor of Zamfara State, he come talk say make the citizen make them defend themselves with any weapon they like. Imagine talk from an old governor. Then if you know say make the citizen make them defend themselves, why did they vote for you? When you know say you no fit capable of that post wey be say they will vote for you for, then why are you there? Then you leave the post, resign, then make other people enter. Make we know say there is no governor in Zamfara State. Make them know say now only the governor, say now only the people they protect themselves. you no fit protect the citizen. Go talk say make the citizen say make them protect themselves with any weapon they like. People wey stand up to defend themselves, wetin you do? Sunday Igboho in stand up, IPOB in stand up say make it say no like the way the thing they do. Nnamdi Kanu, shey you know where the man dey now? You know where the man dey now? But Keke talk say make citizen make them defend themselves with what? With which weapon? You know the weapon wey be say those bandits dey carry. You know the weapon wey be say those Boko Haram dey carry around. They get better ammunition. Only God knows where and where those people they get them. They still better. Those people they still better money. You can talk say make citizens defend themselves against the bandits with any weapon they like. So you as the governor, you dey tell people say indirectly say you no fit protect them again. Say their life don dey in their hand now. Say you no get anything to do with them again. Now wetin they tell them is now. But blessing of recent now, you decamp from PDP, you join APC. They think say the thing will work, the thing not work. You close down all markets. Talk say man, you want stop all the things and cow trading, what they call them. What you all those things you do, the thing not still work. You can't talk say make citizens they defend themselves, and you defend yourself with DSS. You defend yourself with police, with soldier, with everything for this country. And they talk say make citizens maybe say they don't get anything. Talk say make they defend themselves. So they go to use cutlass or catapults to fight bandits wey carry gun or wetin. I don't know. I don't know wetin those citizens go use to defend themselves. I don't know. For this country now, all our leaders now, they don't lift their responsibility now. But you know say you no fit do wetin they appoint you for or wetin they elect you for. Then the best thing for you to do is to resign. Make another people wey be saying gallant, make it enter. That's it. Another headline wey I want to talk about now about this man, Garba Shehu. I want only Garba Shehu, the only man we say in can they talk. We say in they talk anyhow. Garba Shehu, one of the presidency. He don't talk say international amnesty must not exist in Nigeria. He don't talk say that anything called amnesty must not exist. In fact, he talk can reach one extent say he know say those international amnesty now for IPOB. He can talk say those IPOB people now Garba Shehu talk am. He talk say IPOB people are criminals. He talk say now IPOB people they kill police. He talk say na IPOB people na they kill people up and down, na they kill citizens. Garba Shehu talk say IPOB people na they burn all the police stations, they burn everywhere, they burn houses, they burn car, they burn car, they burn everywhere. They say na them be the terrorists for this country. He go talk say why will they give them international amnesty? But this same Garba Shehu don't forget say some terrorists dey, bandits dey, Boko Haram dey, then they give those people amnesty. People wey dem so they tell me say Boko Haram and IPOB now they be the same thing for this country. So I don't understand. People wey they fight for rights now, you don't tag them as terrorists. People wey they kill people, you they call them bandits for this country. We say we dey. This country, we say we dey. So this same country we say we dey. Hey, you see the way this. I don't know. I can't look say when they leave the post, they say they dey. Wetin dem go talk? Will these people still have mouths to abuse the coming government? What saying they come? I don't know what these people go talk say they achieve for this same government. Imagine wetin they talk. I can go on to another headline. The next headline I want to talk about for that place we say dey na Cotonou. Sending go for prison we say in day. In they talk say Yoruba nation must stand by fire by force. Yoruba nation he must stand. They come ask am why. For prison we say in day. He talk say in they enjoy 24 hours electricity. Say for Cotonou, we say he no reach ordinary one city for Nigeria here. He talk say then they enjoy light 247. In fact, for inside prison, it can't be as if say then they heaven. Say light no go for 1 minute for there. But Nigeria, we big, we just carry, we say we just big for nothing. We don't call ourselves giant of Africa. We say we don't become ant of Africa. We dey na fire by force. We dey get 7 hours electricity supply for this country, and we dey pay high electricity tariff. We dey pay high tariff. Yeah, everything for this country now na money we dey pay. If you want pass through toll gate now, you go pay money. You want buy this thing, wey they call plate number, na high money. You want buy tire, na high money. Interglass, high money. Everything now for this country na money. Yet, this thing happen. We no see light buy. And now our country, they sell light go that country. We call them lights. We say we no use again. Unused lights. I never hear that before. Like for this country, I hear them say we get lights. We say we no use again. We can't they sell lights to other country. We say our country never good finish. We they sell lights go other country. We say our country here we never get 24 hours light supply. We still get money to they sell lights go other country. If ordinary prison for Cotonou can have 247 lights, we can imagine wetin those cities, those community for there go they have. So those people go they enjoy light pass. I tell for this country when they say now we citizen community go contribute money to buy transformer. We contribute money to buy wire, to buy pole, ever pole. Now NEPA go dey come, go dey cut wire, go dey cut our wire. Say we no pay light. Who suppose buy the transformer for us? When some area dey for Ibadan where we say that their transformer don spoil for like 5 years, 6 years, they no get lights. Then they wait for when government go give them transformer. Now them themselves go contribute money to buy transformer. Now NEPA, when we say they don't even contribute any 5 naira, go enter that place to remove fuse. They don't pay for money, they don't pay for light. For this country, now the money we pay for now money for darkness we pay for this country. Imagine person go use light for 3 hours in a day, never go come at the end of the month go give you bill wey say go shock you. Why that for this country say we dey? They go give you bill times 2 bill or times 3 bill of wetin you used for this country. And you talk say so now wetin they pay Sunday Igboho for where for the place wey say in dey na be that. You talk say by fire by force, by fire by force, by thunder by fire, Yoruba nation it must stand and we must achieve this same goal. Let me say na true in lawyer. I ain't talk that one. True in lawyer. Na in lawyer come dey talk say now wetin dey go talk. I ain't be this. I ain't be that. I ain't be this. My name is MC Top Secret. See you in my next edition. Catch up.